Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how I can make and use fertilizer in Rust, so it is easy and not that hard to do. So what you'll need to do is basically have this box called composter, and how you use it is basically you put horse poop right here, and it should take some time and you'll get fertilizer like this. So it helps plants grow by increasing ground condition produced in composter, as you can see. And then how you can use them is just open the planter, and right here you can put the fertilizer and it automatically uses it. So that's simple. That's how you use it. Also, you can sell and exchange the fertilizer for the scrap in Outpost. So you basically need to bring the fertilizer to Outpost and you can exchange that to scrap. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to comment down below for the algorithm, and that's pretty much it. So thank you guys and see you in the next one.